learn to a child to become competitive?
Correct.
Do we ever say, have you done some good work?
Right, right.
Who does that?
Right.
Isn't it part of an education?
Absolutely.
Now let me come back to Indian education system.
Right.
Now Indian education system is not backward.
Yes, of course.
It's quite forward,
Right, right.
but the problem is it is not deep rooted.
Yes, yes.
It has many loopholes. Why?
Right,
Because
right.
the one maybe how you impart it
Right.
is
right.
not connecting to deep root things.
Right, right.
So children who cannot think like a neurotypical people,
Yes.
how
yes.
they get education?
Yes. How do they get education? Exactly.
Because if you see, I'm not going to upset any people, but the thing is, all the educational apps, all the educational systems
True.
are oriented towards higher say of children.
Yes, yes, yes.
What about
yes,
the children who cannot follow?
Absolutely.
So one simple question I'm going to ask.
Right.
If I utter this word glass,
Yeah.
what do you people understand?
Glass.
Yeah.
Right.
Tell me, what is glass?
Glass.
If I say glass, what do you understand?
Glass. CL or glass.
Glass.
Well, glass is anything transparent.
Okay, you?
Tangible tumbler. So we
Tangible, yeah.
all have
You?
different perspectives.
Glass. Something transparent, something
Something
see-through.
transparent. But I think glass can be a steel glass, it can be kaanch ka glass, this can also be a glass.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
yes.
when you're teaching a child a glass, are you sure he's learning?
Right.
So when we teach a child, any child,
Right.
forget about the autistic children,
Right.
we expect them to learn. But
Right.
are we sure they're learning?
Yes.
Are you sure it is coming to their cognitive skills?
Right.
You're not sure.
Yes.
Because what we do is we may glorify the language,
Right,
we glorify the
right,
pictures.
right.
But the thing is,
The fundamental is amiss.
but how do a child understands education?
Correct.
Have you ever thought about it?
Right.
So my son is my teacher.
Right, of course.
You know, he's now Mata Rani, he's now into multimedia. I'm a little emotional about this.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, he's a graphic designer.
Oh, wonderful.
Well, thank you.
It's an applause. I mean,
But he
tremendous
told me,
achievement.
he showed me the way, which is the correct way of education for everyone.
Correct. Wonderful.
Because every child from the age of 2 till 8, you know how they look into the world? कैसे देखते हैं वो दुनिया को?
Right.
एक खिड़की से. It's a window.
Window.
And in that window, whatever is visible is understood by them.
Yes.
Behind the window, if you can all look straight,
Right.
you see this is blur.
Right.
They don't understand that.
Yes.
So why we try to make something,
Which they don't understand.
their education,
Yes.
which they don't understand.
Right.
Why we force them?
Right, right.
You know, we are like hitting our children. Oh, you couldn't do it.
Yes.
Oh, write nice.
Yes.
Oh, write deeply.
Yes.
Oh, you're not writing it properly. Oh God, first think he has understood the question or not.
We are demeriting. We're so busy demeriting them.
Absolutely. And Indian parents have a big problem. They touch their child on any pretext. That hinders learning.
Yes.
What child learns by themselves is the most important thing.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And in India, you don't have a proper guideline of education
Yes, of course there is no.
for neurodiverse children. So, pandemic has made me realize, you know, when everybody was going online,
Yes,
you know, make
yes,
them sit.
yes,
So,
yes.
till that time, in my school, I opened a school in 2012.
Oh wow, wonderful.
And exclusively for autistic children.
Acha.
Because digital literacy is not understood in India. Forget about
Yes.
neurodiverse, but for
Yes.
even our children, it
Yes.
is not understood.
Yes, yes.
Simple calculator is not provided in institute. I don't
Yes,
know why.
yes, yes.
Okay. So during pandemic, I saw that our children just couldn't sit in front of the screen because eye contact is a problem,
Yes, eye
right? And
contact
suddenly
is a-
this mota auntie is sitting in front, which I don't want. She's there, so they want to run away.
Right, right.
And it was such a tough time, especially for neurodiverse children
Right.
and their family. I don't know, I should be saying that, but a lot of negative things happen in the family. They did suicide.
Oh God.
You know, the mass thing happened.
It's devastating.
Yeah, it is devastating because, you know, the way we treat an autistic family,
Yes, yes.
they go into isolation.
Yes, as you say, ostracized from the
Yes.
society.
Even
Absolutely.
if you are doing play activity or doing some fun game,
Correct,
the
correct.
child is not able to be inclusive.
Correct.
You actually separate the child.
Absolutely.
And the parents stop coming over there.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, that's a different story. Regarding the education, I felt it's not the child who needs help.
Yes, it's the teachers.
It's the parents who needs help.
Exactly.
They are not the stakeholder in education development program.
Correct.
And that is why this particular community, which is 2 million in India in 2020 census,
Right.
they're not getting education
Correct.
anywhere.
Absolutely.
Who's thinking about them?
Yes, yes.
They
Who's
may be
thinking about
1%
them?
of the society, but they're human.
Yes, very valid point.
What
Very-
about inclusion? Because today I am fighting what after us concept. Because
Yes.
this particular disability, their parents will go away. Are they going to stay back? Who's going to look after them?
Who's going to look after them? Correct.
So my main focus area is education, empowerment and rehabilitation of these families.
It's a
Along with children.
wonderful insight, wonderful noble thought.
And I have devised successfully, maybe आप लोग जैसे आप भगवान को भी बोलते हो.
Correct.
If I am on the right path,
Right.
I'll be able to do it. What I'm going to do it, it's going to be first time in India,
Right.
the educational app.
Okay, okay, that's
Because most of the children need homeschooling.
yes, yes.
So this homeschooling is not possible
Right.
without parents being the stakeholder.
Exactly, exactly.
So I do worldwide parent education program in special education,
Right.
and I work extensively for the parents understanding neurodiversity.
Wonderful. It's such a clever thing because there's exam for everyone, but not exam for parents. Never. They don't have to give exam to how they are capable of nurturing their children. Why they are at all capable or not for nurturing. They are in a mental, physical, all alignment is perfect for them to be autistic or otherwise. Please continue.
Yeah. Again, in education system, especially now I'll talk about neurodiversity. I
Right.
won't be talking about the neurotypicals.
Right.
Because the biggest learning platform is digital literacy.
Right.
In
Right.
case of language development,
Right.
in case of communication,
Correct.
in case of curriculum development,
Right.
digital literacy is at par.
At par.
Worldwide
True.
it is being practiced.
True.
But in India, there is very lack of knowledge and
Mhm.
awareness.
Mhm.
Now this is like taking away the power from a family.
Correct.
So I am doing worldwide program on this also and helping
Marvelous.
at least 350 children to develop communication, offline
Marvelous.
and online both.
Marvelous. Hats off to you.
And
Kudos.
I'm involving, and my main work is to make parents stakeholder.
Yes.
I don't work in any development program if parents
Correct.
are not involved.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
And I am trying to bridge a gap between the organizations and the parents.
Right.
Now the organizations also need to know
Yes.
that when you want to impart education and rehabilitation, parents have to be involved.
Exactly.
Because
exactly.
most of the institute don't even allow parents inside their institute.
Correct. Correct.
They are
correct.
not guided,
No.
they are not counseled.
Slowly they're detached.
Yeah, they are not counseled.
They're not concerned.
And because this neurodiversity is such a difficult thing, because it's not physical disability.
No, it's not physical disability.
So what happens, when it's a physical disability, you have sympathy and empathy working there.
Yes.
So you
yes.
accept.
Yes.
Like suppose some wheelchair person,
Correct,
you're
correct.
helping the person.
Yes.
But suddenly, if a child does this,
Right. Right. Right.
What will you
right.
do?
Exactly.
you will like, oh,
Absolutely.
what's happened?
Absolutely, because we are not aware of it. And the borderline Down syndrome or otherwise Down syndrome also, we don't
Absolutely.
understand that.
So one of the biggest community which is misunderstood is neurodiversity.
Yes, neurodiverse.
Because
Very
why
true.
a child is hyper, we don't even bother.
We
say
don't
they're
even-
naughty.
Ha ha ha. Exactly.
Arekta problem ache in case of communication.
Right.
You know, when we find it a Vishwan Bhabe, Indian problem. When you find you ask a question to a child, he doesn't answers you back. What do? You immediately look at the mother.
Right.
Absolutely.
And the mother thinks, oh, I should help my child.
Exactly.
It's not the mother is clueless how to make the child understand.
Right.
And she starts saying, tu janish tu.
Yeah,
Tu
yeah.
naam ta tu janish tu. What?
Exactly.
And the child is looking whom to answer. Because he doesn't know whom to answer.
Child is completely frazzled, completely confused.
Because neurodiverse is all about sensory integration problem.
Correct.
So much stimulation can be deflected.
Correct.
So visual learning.
Visual learning.
Visual learning helps every child,
Right.
which is not
Right.
practiced.
Right.
Now the
Right.
dangerous thing is, it's not. Again, a lot of miswords come in our field because they don't have an understanding, like virtual autism.
Right.
Now, what the hell is? I'm using this word. What the hell is virtual autism? But we all are dependent on technology.
Exactly.
Everything. You are always on WhatsApp.
Absolutely.
Your Facebook.
Absolutely.
Those are also screen time. Now, the biggest boon in neurodiversity in learning is they are usually very correct. They never make a visual incorrectness.
Correct.
So if we can use that in technology,
Correct.
I'll tell you, all
That's-
are very genius.
Oh.
They have a genius, intelligent mind which we are not using.
Exactly tapping it. Absolutely.
We are very
right.
happy if Ranbir Kapoor or Priyanka Chopra
So
or Shah Rukh Khan
true.
plays a role.
Correct.
But those high functioning faces are not face of autism.
Correct. That is hiding. That is surreptitiously hiding. A teacher has to invent that. A parent has to understand
Absolutely. So I think my time is up. So last word I'll
Please,
add is
please.
the digital literacy market is very, in the raw stage.
Right.
A lot of work can be done. It is a very potential one. And it needs to be, talked with the people like us who work on structured teaching, which is very uncommon subject in India.
Correct.
But structured teaching is for everyone.
Everyone. True. Awesome. Finally,
I think I
ma'am.
ended in time.
Finally, ma'am, take your view
Okay.
on EdTalk and National Education Forum. How you're really convinced here.
Actually, first I was not convinced
Right.
to come over.
Right.
Okay. I was thinking it's an education part and they all talk about neurotypical society. What about the parallel world? So I think you called me, right? Then she said, ma'am, people don't know what you do, but I think you have to come and tell what you do.
Wonderful.
So I think I made a right decision.
Absolutely. And thank you for educating us, for imbibing so much of knowledge from you. Thank you so much for your precious time, ma'am. We are thank you.
National Education Forum is very delighted to have a collaboration with Nilanjana ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So please come up on the stage, ma'am, and there will be a wonderful, because it was very wonderful rather to listen to you. And National Education Forum in association with Mental Care India will always have Nilanjana ma'am at the side. We will be working together, ma'am, because we are really convinced that people need to be taking care of their mental health much more. It is much more important than physical health, isn't it? And the motivating lines, because this platform is to motivate, this platform is to inspire, and this platform is also to make others learn how to listen. Because you see, the hall is really listening, because listening is also a skill which is to be learned.
Well, I should say that everybody gave me attention.
Yeah.
You seek that. You have earned it, ma'am.
Yeah, we had wonderful speakers along with Nilanjana ma'am and our association, the association with National Education Forum. We welcome you, and I think we could convince you that it's really a very good platform. What say, viewers?
Yes.
It's a good platform, right? And this is for our association, our formal association with National Education Forum.
Thank you so much.
A shake hand.
And a hug too.
And a hug too. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Nilanjana ma'am. Thank you for attending and giving your wonderful insights.
Absolutely.
Thank
I
you.
would request everyone to visit my school. It's a very small one, but I can say there's a lot of love.
Schools are never small. Schools, if the administrator is having these insights, it cannot be ever small. If administrators are like ma'am, it is never small. It is always big. So that is the bigger picture of education, and education needs to be given this importance so that others are getting the inspiration. Thank you so much, ma'am.